Hello, this is my water heater. This morning when I went to take a shower, I didn't have any hot water, and now feeling the pipes, they are not particularly warm at all. They are just room temperature. So my water heater has failed me in my time of need. So come along with me as I delve into the exciting world of water heater repair. I will start by taking the cover off and see what we find. Do not lose the screw. That sucks. My hand is probably in the shot. That sucks too. Okay, so what have we got here? A thermostat, a plastic thingy, which I just broke, and an element. That's what it looks like. The element is under here. See it? Peekaboo! And that is the thermostat. I will get the cover off and be right back. Okay, the cover is off. So that is the thermostat. That down there is the element. There's only one element on this particular water heater. So the power, I believe, comes in the top two terminals on the thermostat, which you can almost see behind that insulation. Sorry. And then the ones, only one side is switched, so that would be that black wire goes down to the element, and then the other side is the red wire, which just jumpers down from the incoming power. So we need to see if we have power on this element. So to help me with that, I went to a flea market and spent $5 on this multimeter, which happens to be a Harbor Freight product. So let's see what happens. I'm trying to aim the camera at the element and at the meter and do this one-handed. So let's see what happens. We have 0 volts, according to this, at the element. Okay, so do we have power coming in up here? We have 0 volts up here. Huh. That is very interesting indeed. Okay, one thing I should do is that make sure that the meter works, because it is a Harbor Freight tool. So I will plug the leads into the outlet, and as you can see, I have 131 volts, so the meter does function. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not, but after further analysis, I lifted up this insulation here and revealed this is where the incoming power comes in. I could not see it, so I will check voltage here, and the meter indicates 256 volts. I don't know how accurate the meter is. This is mainly just check the presence of voltage or not. But I also noticed there's a little reset button here, and that may have tripped. So I'm going to push that, but I'm going to shut the breaker off before I do that. Another thing I'm going to do while the power is off is just check continuity through the element, see if the element is showing good, and it shows 14.7 ohms, so that appears to be good element. So for some reason though, I believe it tripped this. Yep, I pushed it and it clicked. So I'm thinking it will work, except why did it trip is the question. This may not be over. So let's turn the power on and see what we get. This is the breaker for the water heater. With a warning label telling you don't turn the breaker on unless the water heater has water in it. You can hear it sizzling. I guess that's a good idea, or a good sign. Now, I will check voltage again. And we have voltage on the element. So why did that trip? I don't know. But for now, it's fixed. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for more exciting adventures of Dog Bite 555. See ya.